Hi little explorers! Get ready for an epic adventure where farm animals like cows, chickens, and pigs face off against buzzing bees, speedy ants, and other insects. In this fun showdown, the animals and insects go on an exciting expedition to see who's the best at solving challenges like building, racing, and working together. The fun begins here. Guardians of the Bamboo Forest Panda. Pandas are great swimmers. They can easily paddle through rivers and streams. Using their strong limbs, pandas' cubs are born with pink, fuzzy fur and are about the size of a cup of tea. They grow their back and white fur as they get older. Unraveling the secrets of rhinoceros. Rhinos are known for their powerful charges. Despite their massive size, they can run at surprisingly high speeds, especially when they feel threatened. Rhinos are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, and fruits. They have a simple stomach and rely on fermentation to digest their food. The surprising facts about chickens. Chickens are one of the most populous bird species on the planet, with billions of them raised worldwide for meat and egg production. Chicken is one of the most versatile meats enjoyed in various cuisines globally. It is a good source of lean protein. Exploring the allure of cat. Cats have been entrancing humans for thousands of years, from the tufts of their ears to the swish of their tails. It's hard for us humans to ignore the mystery and beauty of cats. House cats share 95.6% of their genetic makeup with tigers. Extraordinary story of sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. One of the primary reasons humans domesticated sheep was for their wool. Different breeds of sheep produce different types of wool. Care and connection of rabbit. While rabbits can be active during the day, they are crepuscular, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. Rabbits are known for their high reproduction rate. A female rabbit is capable of giving birth to a new litter every 30 days. Embracing the wonders of God. Goats can be used for vegetation control. Their grazing habits can help manage overgrown vegetation, making them useful in preventing wildfires and maintaining ecosystems. Goats are agile climbers and are known to climb steep and rocky terrain with ease. Their hooves have a unique concave shape that provides them with traction. Understanding the role of hippopotamus. Hippos are known for being highly territorial and aggressive, especially when it comes to protecting their territory or offspring. They are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa and are responsible for more human deaths on the continent than other large animals. They are social animals and live in groups. Discovering the spirit of the horse. Horses were first domesticated around 4000 BC and have helped humans with transportation, farming, and companionship ever since. They can remember people, places, and talks for a long time. So once you have made friends with a horse, they won't forget you. An average horse's worth weighs about 9 to 10 pounds, 4 to 5 kg, and it's strong enough to pump all that blood while they gallop. Nature's gentle behemoths. Elephant. Elephants live in herds, which are usually made up of female elephants and their young. The oldest female is often the leader and makes important decisions for the group. Some elephants have tusks that they use to dig for water, strip bark from trees, or as a defense against predators. Tusks are actually modified teeth. Elephants love to take baths. The behavior of centipede. There are approximately 3000 known species of centipedes and they are found on all continents except Antarctica. Centipedes typically prefer moist environments such as under rocks. A visual journey into next animal is scorpions. Scorpions belong to the class Arachnida, which also includes spiders, ticks, and mites. They are characterized by their 8 legs and 2 body segments. Scorpions are ancient creatures, with a fossil record dating back more than 400 million years. The busy world of yellow jackets. Yellow jackets are small insects with bright yellow and black stripes which help warn predators to stay away because they can sting. Even though yellow jackets look a lot like bees, they are actually a type of wasp. They are more aggressive than bees, especially when protecting their nest. Exploring the remarkable world of ants. Ants are highly social insects that live in colonies. Each colony typically consists of a queen, male ants, and worker ants. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Meet the stag beetle up close. Stag beetles are among the largest beetles in the world. Some species can reach lengths of up to 4 inches. The lifespan of stag beetles is relatively short. Adults usually live for a few weeks to a few months. Journey into the secret life of honeybees. Honeybees are renowned for their production of honey by collecting nectar from flowers, which they then convert into honey through a process of regurgitation and evaporation. Honeybees are critical pollinators, playing a vital role in the pollination. Hopping into action, the grasshopper. Grasshoppers are very adaptable and can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Different species have evolved to live in diverse climates and ecosystems. They serve as a key food source for many predators, including birds, reptiles, and small mammals. Fast, fearless, and ferocious, the horsefly. Horseflies are commonly found in rural areas, especially near water sources as their larvae develop in aquatic environments. They are often found in fields, pastures, and near livestock. Female horseflies feed on blood, using their sharp mouth parts to pierce the skin of animals. Nature's unique reptiles. Leopard gecko. Leopard geckos are known for their calm and friendly nature, making them popular pets for kids and families. They can make various sounds, including chirps and squeaks, especially when they are excited or communicating with other geckos. They are cold-blooded. The unique aesthetics of yellow iguanas. These iguanas are omnivorous. Adult yellow-black iguanas can reach lengths of about 3 to 4 feet 90 to 120 centimeters, including their tail. They are among the larger iguana species. They are known for their agility and speed. Yellow-black iguanas are good climbers and can often be seen basking on rocks or tree branches. Your time means the world. Thank you to watching Farm Animals vs Insects Expedition, an epic showdown between animals and insects episode. Subscribe now for this Farm Animals vs Insects Expedition. An epic showdown between animals and insects is a playful, educational adventure where kids can explore the wonders of nature, learning about teamwork, survival, and the fascinating world of animals and insects. Don't miss the next mud-filled journey. See you later, brave kids!